Hello, this is the Cranky Old Bastard once again, working on the welded wire blade project. And now we're going to soft silver solder on the bolster plate to the riposte blade. This is Comet Flux. It's applied to both sides of the blade and bolster junction. I'm going to light the torch. Now you don't want a very powerful flame, but you don't want a wimpy one either. You want a nice feather on it, like this is. See? And you just want to play it at the joint junction where they come together. The flux will tell you when it's at the right temperature because the flux will turn black. And the heat will suck it around on the blade. See how this sucked right around there? Now this solder has been flattened to the side. A little more flux there to fill in this void. Now, if you're a little bit too much solder, that's okay, but you don't want to glob it on either because that's not good. So, that side's done. Now just our side here. Brush it around. It's done. Simple as that. Doesn't take long. As I mentioned before, this is sorry about the knock on the camera. This is a 97% tin, 3% silver solder. Flows about 420 to 425 degrees, right around there, which is a little under what I temp my blades at. Because I temper at 450 or so, so I don't have to worry about cooking out the temper and annealing it back where it shouldn't be. None of this stuff is really rocket science, and once you start thinking about it, it's really not that difficult to do. As long as you have the right flux with the right solder and your surfaces are clean, it should stick quite well. We'll let that cool down for a few minutes before we take it off out of the vise and clean it. Now, I went ahead and fitted the horn spacer prior to this. So the next step after this will be to fit the horn on the other end once I fit the bone part on the script. So this is it for right now. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for the interest. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. And please hit the like button if you like the video. Even if you just sort of liked it, or even if you didn't like it, please hit the like button. You know, nobody will know. I won't tell. So thank you so much for your time and effort and your interest in what I do. Have a pleasant evening. May the wise Lord keep you safe, you and yours. Thank you. Good night.